Morgan, I think you dropped the carrot. Get another one. It helps if you're watching what you're doing.
Mom, did you make my peanut butter and jelly?
No, I'm waiting for you to come help. Gerard wanted to sit next to Morgan today. No, thanks, Morgan. Gerard doesn't want your carrots.
I think she's trying to feed me.
I think she is.
Myself. I'm going to be in a video too.
You are. Whoa, Morgan, where are you going? Gerard. What's with the goofy face?
Mommy, do you think you can get me a napkin and milk?
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot those. Sure.
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And you know it has
What?
peanut butter and jelly.
That must be why it's called the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Looks good. Did you help make that?
I cut. Try to make it go up and down.
That's how you cut. Don't toss it over the edge. You want some chicken too? I'll get you some. Watch your head. You like your chicken?
I hope Daddy doesn't get my germs when he eats peanut butter.
I hope not. You shouldn't have licked the spoon and put it back in. Slow down, Morgan. Make sure you chew. Make sure you chew.
Oh, look at me.
What's with the mean face?
Ah! Stop touching me with your dirty hands. Oh. What are you doing? Oh. Hello, Peter. Ba, 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 ba.
You're such a performer. She's watching you like you're crazy. Is that yummy, Morgan? Good job. Good job.